Hi guys, today I will show you how to replace your daytime running lights, headlight bulbs and the turn signal bulb at your Audi A4 8K type B8 halogen type headlight. Unfortunately, it may seem very easy just because we are talking about ordinary bulbs, ordinary daytime running light halogen type bulbs, but both at the pre-facelift type headlights, which is this one, and the facelift headlights, halogen type headlights, changing the daytime running lights bulbs and the indicator bulb is a pain. Unfortunately, the first one, the pre-facelift models from 2008 till 2012, it's much more difficult and time-consuming operation. At the facelift headlights from 2012 till 2016 combi models, there are bulb holders which helps you to remove the bulb and eventually to change them, both for the indicator bulb and for the daytime running lights bulb. Now this is the facelift headlight. It, as stated, it has specific sockets in order to change the bulbs, but for the pre-facelift models, for this headlight, actually, I already removed the lens to show you the bulbs that we will change. As you can see, there are two bulbs for daytime running lights and one bulb for indicator function. And in order to change them, it's not a straightforward operation. You have to remove the headlight from your car. As you can see, there is no direct access to change these bulbs. You cannot change them. You can change only the H7 bulbs for high beam and a low beam, but in case of bulb failure for daytime running lights or the indicator, you have to remove entire headlight from the car and replace them with a time-consuming operation that I will show you. By the way I will show you is the official Audi way of changing these bulbs. Unfortunately, it's not only time-consuming, but it's also an expensive operation. Maybe it's even better for you to buy another headlight, used headlight, if you find cheaper. Because if you want to replace these bulbs, these cheap bulbs, halogen type bulbs, you have to buy two covers from Audi for these openings in order to seal them after the operation, after the replacement, because we will cut this circle. After a while you will see we will have to cut this circle in order to change them, and this one. In order to change the daytime running lights, as stated, you will need two covers, to source two covers, whether from Audi or from eBay or from another marketplace. The part number for this cover is 8J0941-607, and approximately, you wouldn't believe, but only one cover is costs around $30 or $40. So you will need two of them, around 60-80 USD dollars you have to pay for only for these two covers. And I will also show you, as stated, how to replace your turn signal bulb. It's located here. As you can see, it's sealed. You cannot replace it actually. It's because you don't have an access there you cannot remove the bulb and put it back. And basically, in order to replace this in the turn signal bulb, we will have to buy a repair kit from Audi service again. The part number for this repair kit is 420 998 295. It also costs around $25–30. So it's very expensive and time consuming operation. This one is for the turn signal. First of all, I will replace the daytime running. I will show you how to replace the daytime running bulbs, assuming that these are faulty. As stated, I will show you the correct way of replacing these bulbs. I will do it exactly as it is stated in the official Audi workshop manual. You will need one box cutter, one sharp box cutter, two covers from these, and of course you will have to buy the two bulbs that you will replace. Let's start.